welcome to the Porsche Festival of Speed, which is where Porsche is celebrating 75 years of providing precision driving, fantastic cars. And this right here is the GT4 RS, the track weapon of the 718 series. This car pumps out an insane 493 bhp and 450 Nm of torque, but the secret is actually the weight saving, which is in the secret of the RS nomenclature. That can do a 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds, and you should check out these details of this car. The 718 GT4 RS in India costs 2.54 crore rupees ex-showroom India, and that is without any options. It sits at the very top of the 718 lineup, and unlike the previous GT4, the GT4 RS is only available in the Cayman coupe body style. It's the engine where things get really exciting. It gets the same 4-litre naturally aspirated engine as the GT4 and even seen in the 911, but it produces 80 HP more, taking the total power output to 500 HP. And Porsche claims that the 718 GT4 RS can propel itself from 0 to 100 in just 3.4 seconds with a top speed of an insane 315 km per hour. Transmission options only include a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, and Porsche has even managed to shed the weight by using carbon fiber reinforced plastic for the bonnet and the front wings. In fact, you can even option the car with magnesium alloy wheels to further reduce the weight and the look. Aero updates include a swan-necked rear wing, which looks massive, new air vents and an adjustable front diffuser, along with a 30 mm drop in ride height compared to the standard 718 Cayman. These changes, Porsche says, increase the downforce by 10% compared to the GT4, and in the track-oriented performance mode, it can further go up to 60%. The Cayman GT4 RS's rival include another track-focused car like the Mercedes-AMG GTR, and wouldn't that be amazing to see both of them head-to-head on a racetrack? We can't wait for that. And because it's a frunk, I can actually sit in this car, possibly take a nap. Let us know what you think of the GT4 RS and the beautiful paint shade that Porsche is providing. You've got a multitude of manufacturer options that you can customize, so do check it out and let us know in the comments below what do you think of the new car.